Welcome to our YouTube page, Memory of the Tocoist Elders. I'm very excited to have you here as we embark on a journey to explore the rich history and teachings of the prophet 𝐶𝑚𝑜 𝐺𝑜𝑛𝑐𝑎𝑙𝑣𝑒's Toco. On this channel, we will delve deeply into the life and legacy of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco, a man who was a messenger of God and left an indelible impact on the world. He foresaw events and shared his wisdom with his people so that they would be prepared. 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco, as he is commonly known, faced intense persecution and endured years of imprisonment for speaking out and defending the truth. Despite the difficulties, he fought for fundamental human rights and social justice. His teachings resonated with many who longed for freedom from colonial oppression. An Angolan writer described 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's character by saying that he treated everyone with equal love and consideration, without discrimination. His love for all people reflected the love of Christ. It is essential to honor the legacy of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco by sharing his words, actions, and prophecies. Let us explore his teachings and remember his wisdom daily. In this way, we can ensure that future generations know about this remarkable man of God. 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's prophecies still resonate today. The impact of his words can be seen in the history of Angola and beyond. His warnings about political instability and the consequences of ignoring his advice have unfortunately become a reality. Angola and many nations are still influenced by his teachings. Throughout this channel, we will reveal some of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's prophecies. These prophecies will enlighten us and reveal God's purpose for humanity, Africa, and especially Angola. We will discuss symbolic events that occurred during his lifetime and continue to this day. As we embark on this journey together, let us remember 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's words. What he said happened, and what he said is happening. By understanding his prophecies, we can navigate the political landscape shaped by him better. Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of the life and teachings of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 𝐺𝑜𝑛𝑐𝑎𝑙𝑣𝑒's Toco. Join us as we explore the life, teachings, and lasting impact of this influential individual. 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco, often compared to the Son of God, had an unparalleled vision and communicated imminent events to his people, preparing them for what was to come. However, he was gravely misunderstood by the political and religious authorities of his time, resulting in unfounded accusations and persecution. Despite facing relentless persecution and years of imprisonment, 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco remained steadfast in his pursuit of fundamental human rights and social justice. His vision encompassed liberation from colonial oppression and the unity of all worshippers of God, embodying the spirit of love and equality. Through the Memory of the Tocoist Elders YouTube channel, we will delve into the profound teachings of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco and explore the significance of his prophecies. These prophecies continue to hold relevance in our present-day world, offering insights into political dynamics and societal transformations. 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's message of unity and liberation resonates not only in Angola, but also in many nations worldwide. His words serve as a reminder of the importance of upholding fundamental human rights and working towards social justice. As we navigate the episodes on this channel, we will uncover the symbolic events that unfolded during 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's lifetime and continue to shape our reality today. We will examine the impact of his teachings on Africa and humanity as a whole, shedding light on God's purpose for our world. Join us on this extraordinary journey as we honor the legacy of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 𝐺𝑜𝑛𝑐𝑎𝑙𝑣𝑒's Toco. Through exploring his life, teachings, and lasting impact, we hope to gain a deeper understanding of this influential individual and his profound contributions to our shared history. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable exploration of the life and teachings of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco. Together, let us uncover the wisdom and prophecies of this extraordinary man, and may his words continue to inspire and guide us in our pursuit of a just and equitable world. Please subscribe to our channel to gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of knowledge and insights. Discover the remarkable legacy of 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco, a messenger of God who foresaw events and shared his wisdom with his people. Through our episodes, we will honor 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's enduring impact on Angola, Africa, and beyond. Explore his teachings that resonate with fundamental human rights and social justice, as well as his prophecies that still hold relevance in our present-day world. Join our community of passionate learners as we uncover the symbolic events that unfolded during 𝐶𝑚𝑜 Toco's lifetime and continue to shape our reality today. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss an episode that reveals God's purpose for humanity. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of 𝐃𝐨𝐽 Gonçalves Toco and his remarkable contributions. Subscribe to the Memory of the Tocoist Elders YouTube channel now and be part of this extraordinary exploration. Click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new episodes, discussions, and revelations. Together, let's honor the legacy of 𝐃𝐨𝐽 Toco and ensure that future generations know about this remarkable man of God. Thank you for joining us on this profound journey. We can't wait to have you as part of our community.